Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Adventure Gold. Adventure Gold has broken out another falling wedge pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and in today's video we will take a look at the next expected move of Adventure Gold or AGLD. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share my previous analysis with you that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 25th of December, when the price line broke out the resistance of this ascending triangle, and our target for this pump or this breakout was $2.20, and you can see the price line was moving at $1.89. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line moved up very well up to $2.40, and again moved down and even broke down the support of this ascending triangle. Right now, if we take a look at this 4-hourly time frame, then recently the price line has broken out a very long falling wedge pattern. It entered the wedge here on 1st of Feb, and right now we have broken out the resistance. And if we switch to the hourly time frame, then we have also tested the previous resistance of this wedge as a support as well. But it is also possible that even on the 4-hourly time frame chart, we will have one or two bearish candlesticks that will test the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and then it will start the next move to the upside. If we take a look at the oscillator with this breakout, then we can see that before this breakout we also had a bullish divergence on the chart, as we can see that here the price line formed this low at 86 cents, and the next low was at 82 cents approximately. So next low was lower than previous low. But if we take a look at the RSI, here the value of RSI, by the way, you can watch the values here. The value was 36.37, and here we had the next low value was 36.73. So the RSI did the opposite of the price line, and it formed a higher low than previous low, while the price line was at the support, and the price line followed the signal of this bullish divergence by this RSI and moved up and broke out the resistance. Right now RSI has formed another higher low than previous low, and the price line has also formed another higher than previous low. So there is also not any bearish divergence on this chart. Now if we take a look at the next resistance, then the price line has reached on the smaller time frame at a very strong resistance that has been working previously as a support as well, that we have approximately here at $1.16. And we are very close to hit this resistance, approximately at $1.18 we can see. Here it has been breaking as a very strong support, and here it has been breaking as a resistance. Right now the price line is moving to hit this resistance once again. Now if we take a look at the bigger time frame, like on the daily time frame, then here we are in a very big down channel, and the formation was started here back in September 2021. So far the price line is not able to break out this channel. Right now we are also breaking out this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. And once the price line break out this EM at 21, it can also work as a nice support for the price line. However, for any big move, we need to break out this bigger channel, and the resistance of this big channel is here approximately at $1.30. Now if we break out this resistance on the 4-hourly time frame after breaking out this wedge, the next resistance of $1.18, then the target for this wedge will be here at the top of this wedge, that will be approximately $1.80. And if we take a look at this resistance, then here we have this bigger channel's resistance at $1.30. It means that we are also going to break out the resistance of this down channel if we break out this resistance of $1.18, because after breaking out this resistance there will be a very high probability that we can hit the target of this falling wedge, and definitely that target is above the resistance of this bigger channel as well. So the time is ticking for Adventure Gold, and if we break out this next resistance, we are very close to hit this next resistance, then we can expect a big move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care, goodbye.